So today in this video, I'll show you how to create and manage employee schedules using the schedule module in the Cronisoft back office. To begin, head over to the HR section and click on the schedule, or like usual, go through the smart search on the top. By default, the schedule area will appear on the right side while your employees list appears on the left. If you enable the time clock only toggle, the system will display employees that are configured for time clock scheduling. You can also filter employees by department using the filter icon next to the toggle. This helps you narrow down the list when scheduling specific departments. To create a schedule, simply drag and drop an employee into the scheduling grid on the desired day and time. After placing the employee into the schedule, by clicking on the employee, a pop-up window will appear where you can customize the shift details. Over here, you can set the shift start time and the end time for the employee. Choose the department this shift belongs to. This is especially useful when employees work across multiple departments. You can also add notes if needed, such as shift instructions or reminders. Once everything looks good, click Save to add this shift to the schedule. To save time, you can clone schedules instead of recreating them manually. You can clone schedules by date, by range, or by employee. For example, clone by employee allows you to copy one employee's schedule directly to another employee. You can navigate between days and weeks using the controls at the top of the screen. On the top right, you can monitor schedule hours and labor budgets totals while building your schedule. Once everything is completed, click the unlock button on the top to lock the schedule. This prevents further edits and keeps the schedule finalized for employees. This is a very short and simple module. And that's how you create and manage employee scheduling using the schedule module in Crony back office. Just like always, I'll see you guys in our next video.